We're back, probably part 2 or part 3 of this. I got the studs and lug nuts in, but with all of it in, the new axle boots would still rub against each other and we'd still have the same issue as before. So there's no point unless I raise the diff, because it's coming in at such an angle, the boot wants to rub into itself. You see at the top there, the ribs are touching on the boot.
Which was the problem from the start.
So I got some GKTech solid diff bushings to raise the diff 12 millimeters, and hopefully that'll be enough for the boots to not touch and I don't have to keep going through the axles. Starting off by dropping the diff. I had it all put back together because I wanted to drive it to Formula Drift a few weeks ago, but that didn't go through because my window fucking was stuck down and it was raining, so I didn't take this car. But we're dropping the diff, getting the new bushings in. We just gotta drop it.
Differential's out. The bushings are not too bad, but I mean, they're just going to be replaced with ones that raise it up higher, so it's not really for that. It's for a different purpose. The back one was a little bit bad, right?
Our back one was a little bit cracked, yeah. We're gonna have to clearance that breather tube. That breather tube will need to be clearance. If I just hammer it down, it was connected to a hose up there, so I want to see where that goes. If it's
There's some way we could probably straighten it out.
Just like tapping on the corner with a hammer, just get it to.
Yeah.
Because that is the highest point. It looks like in this little. Oh no, that's. What the fuck even is that?
Yeah, unless we get like a body hammer to the bottom of your car, we're gonna have to.
I do have body hammers.
We'll have to do what we can do.
In there.
All right, let's get cracking on these diff bushings. Got that GKTech tool putting in the work.
We knocked out the centerpiece.
Yeah, right there. But the whole rubber inside piece is still in. This was probably out ½ an inch. We sucked it into where it's flush. We just have to keep going, and it's on its way out. It just takes a lot of force, even with this breaker bar. Blam! There's one out, but the other one's not coming out. And it's actually late as hell. So maybe until next time. But he's got them in the freezer, ready to drop in, hopefully.
We got these in. Show them how straight the axles are from where you're sitting. 12 mil up. I did not think 12 mil was going to be enough, but look at how straight the axles are from diff to wheel.
That's a pretty good, we're worried about that boot right there and the angle that that boot sits at.
Is that touching right now?
Like, I don't, no, it's not touching right now.
We should be good then.
Yeah.
Solid diff bushings. We're about to see how it rides.
It's loud in here. You also adjusted the shit for the caster? What was it?
Yeah.
You just had to tighten them back down, so we were just trying to make sure that it was driving straight, as well as if the axles were gonna make any noise, if the diff was gonna fall out, if the diff was gonna hit the roof of the subframe because it's raised up so much. But it's all good. we're gonna have to get some tape measures out. We're checking Ackerman problems, seeing if the wheels are pointing what we want them to point. Oh, that that lead wheel's straight. Yeah, 6 degrees of camber. That's the magic number. Shit.
8 degrees of cast.
8 degrees of caster.